It was a snowy day. People gathered outside our house. I took my camera and stepped into the cold. Through the snowfall, they turned to hazy figures, and then so tiny, unknowable. There was a lonely tree, wrapped in white. Birds moved around it. Their paths crossing and crossing again. Some broke away, disappearing into the white sky. A few stayed with the tree. Others vanished into the woods, settling among unfamiliar branches. And there they remained as the snow fell over them. This is my sister. And this is me, searching for the sound of the lost trees.